If you are wondering if POCO F7 Pro has Android Auto, then the answer is yes. You can easily connect this phone with your car, and you can simply choose settings and then go to more connectivity options in order to scroll all the way down to find Android Auto. So if you go over here, you have the option to connect a vehicle, and then you will find these instructions where you are asked to connect your phone to your car with the USB cable, unless of course you have wireless Android Auto. So if your car supports wireless Android Auto, you can choose this option instead at the bottom. Then you will find additional instructions that you need to follow, and also you can go to Bluetooth by choosing connect using Bluetooth, and then you can also choose pair a vehicle to go to Bluetooth settings and find your your car in available devices. In case you need it, you can also refresh the list after a while. Over here you will find the refresh text. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!